MCQ questions for Class 9 Science Chapter 1 Matter in Our Surroundings. Science. Everything in the universe is made of matter. Matter occupies space and has mass. Matter is made up of tiny particles. Particles of matter have spaces between them. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Particles of matter attract each other. Matter exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Solids have a definite shape and volume. Liquids have a definite volume but no definite shape. Gases have neither a definite shape nor volume. Matter changes state with temperature and pressure changes. The melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius, 273 K. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, 373 K. Kelvin is the SI unit of temperature, 0 degrees C equals 273 K. SI units: mass, kilogram, length, m, volume, m cubed, pressure, pa. 30 MCQ questions for Class 9 Science, Chapter 1 Matter in Our Surroundings. Question 1. What is the boiling point of water? A. 0 degrees Celsius. B. 100 degrees Celsius. C. 373 K. D. Both B and C. Answer: D. Both B and C. Question 2. Which of the following is a physical change? A. Burning of paper. B. Rusting of iron. C. Melting of ice. D. Cooking of food. Answer: C. Melting of ice. Melting of ice is a physical change. Question 3. The process of a solid changing directly to gas is called: A. Condensation. B. Evaporation. C. Sublimation. D. Deposition. Answer: C. Sublimation. The process of a solid changing directly to gas is called sublimation. Question 4. Which of these is not a characteristic of particles of matter? A. They are very small. B. They attract each other. C. They are stationary. D. They have spaces between them. Answer: C. They are stationary. Question 5. What happens to the kinetic energy of particles when the temperature increases? A. It decreases. B. It remains constant. C. It increases. D. It first increases then decreases. Answer: C. It increases. The kinetic energy of particles increases when the temperature increases. Question 6. Which of these substances has the highest density? A. Water. B. Air. C. Honey. D. Iron. Answer: D. Iron. Iron has the highest density among the given options. Question 7. Evaporation of a liquid leads to which of the following effects? A. Increase in temperature. B. Decrease in temperature. C. No change in temperature. D. Fluctuation in temperature. Answer: B. Decrease in temperature. Evaporation of a liquid leads to a decrease in temperature. Question 8. What is the main factor that affects the rate of evaporation? A. Pressure. B. Volume. C. Temperature. D. Density. Answer: C. Temperature. Question 9. The melting point of ice is: A. 100 degrees Celsius. B. 0 degrees Celsius. C. 273 K. D. Both B and C. Answer: D. Both B and C. The melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius or 273 K. Question 10. Which of the following is an example of a gaseous state? A. Sugar. B. Sand. C. Oxygen. D. Ice. Answer: C. Oxygen. Question 11. At what temperature in the Celsius scale does water boil? A. 0 degrees Celsius. B. 100 degrees Celsius. C. 373 degrees Celsius. D. 273 degrees Celsius. Answer: B. 100 degrees Celsius. Question 12. Which process is responsible for the formation of clouds? A. Sublimation. B. Condensation. C. Evaporation. D. Deposition. Answer. B. Condensation. Question 13. What is the physical state of water at 25 degrees Celsius? A. Solid. B. Liquid. C. Gas. D. Plasma. Answer. B. Liquid. Question 14. What is the SI unit of temperature? A. Celsius. B. Fahrenheit. C. Kelvin. D. Rankine. Answer. C. Kelvin. Question 15. What property of particles of matter is affected by an increase in temperature? A. Color. B. Size. C. Kinetic energy. D. Weight. Answer. C. Kinetic energy. Question 16. What happens to the kinetic energy of particles when a substance changes from solid to liquid? A. Decreases. B. Increases. C. Remains the same. D. Becomes zero. Answer. B. Increases. Question 17. Diffusion is fastest in which state of matter? A. Solids. B. Liquids. C. Gases. D. Plasma. Answer. C. Gases. Question 18. What happens to the intermolecular space when a solid melts into a liquid? A. Increases. B. Decreases. C. Remains the same. D. Becomes zero. Answer. A. Increases. Question 19. What is the process called when a gas changes directly to a solid? A. Sublimation. B. Deposition. C. Condensation. D. Evaporation. Answer. B. Deposition. Question 20. What is latent heat? A. Heat required to change the temperature of a substance. B. Heat required to change the state of a substance without changing its temperature. C. Heat lost when a substance cools down. D. Heat gained when a substance heats up. Answer. B. Heat required to change the state of a substance without changing its temperature. Question 21. In the Kelvin scale, the freezing point of water is _K. Fill in the blank. Answer. 273. Question 22. When a solid turns into a gas upon heating, the process is known as _. Fill in the blank. Answer. Sublimation. Question 23. Is the process where a liquid changes into a gas at a temperature below its boiling point? Fill in the blank. Answer. Evaporation. Question 24. The energy of particles increases with a rise in temperature. Fill in the blank. Answer. Kinetic. Question 25. Is the process where gas changes into a liquid? Fill in the blank. Answer. Condensation. Question 26. Diffusion is slower in liquids than in gases. True, false. True, false. Answer. True. Question 27. Water vapor is considered a gas. True, false. True, false. Answer. True. Question 28. Solids have a definite volume but no definite shape. True, false. True, false. Answer. False. Question 29. The boiling point of water is the same as its evaporation point. True, false. True, false. Answer. True. Question 30. At room temperature, the physical state of water is liquid. True, false. True, false. Answer. True.